4 people have been charged and an outlaw motorcycle gang's clubhouse has been dismantled following an investigation in the Riverina region. In February this year, officers from Murrumbidgee Police District established Strike Force Yatama to investigate the ongoing activity of the mid-state chapter of the Bandidos MC throughout the district. Following extensive inquiries, investigators executed search warrants at 2 homes in Leeton from 9 a.m. Thursday, June 23, 2022. Investigators were assisted by specialist officers from Southern Region Operations Support Group and Southeast Region Enforcement Squad. Michael Sohier, 45, and Jason James Bloomfield, 48, who police allege are both Bandidos members, were arrested at a home and nearby business. They were each charged with participate criminal group, contribute criminal activity, and demand property with menaces with intent to steal. Both men were granted conditional bail in Griffith Local Court on Friday, to reappear on July 22. Later that day, a 39-year-old man and 37-year-old woman were arrested at Narrandera Police Station about 6 p.m. They were both also charged with participate criminal group, contribute criminal activity, and demand property with menaces with intent to steal. The man was refused bail to appear before Wagga Wagga Local Court today, while the woman was granted conditional bail to appear before Narrandera Local Court on Friday, August 19, 2022. During the searches, police located a clubhouse in a detached shed of the Coolaman Street property. The clubhouse was dismantled, and police seized a large amount of Bandidos paraphernalia including clothing, vests, insignia, patches and memorabilia. Motorcycles, physical documentation, knives, electronic devices and storage devices were also seized. All items will undergo further examination. Investigations under Strike Force Yatama continue.